Hey, this is Scott Rulon. Happy New Year, and welcome to my Bitradex Financial Review. Legit crypto MLM or scam? Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please also see myfinancialfair.com. That's my blog site where I put in written form a lot of the reviews that I do here on YouTube. And also please see scottrulon.com so you can see who I am and what I'm about. And I hope you enjoy this Bitradex Financial Review. Hey, I've just started noticing a bit of buzz about Bitradex, but also noticed there's not a lot of reviews about Bitradex Finance Limited. So this one may not be low-key forever, but while it is, I chose to investigate. It is my pleasure in this review to guide you through the Bitradex company, compensation plan, and product so you can make a smart decision on whether to engage their services or not. Just read this to the finish and pay close attention to the end. So what is Bitradex Finance Review? Well, we're going to go over about 7 or 8 different things here today. We're going to talk about what Bitradex Finance is, who runs Bitradex Finance Limited, what kind of products does Bitradex offer, how to make money with Bitradex Finance, Bitradex various investment plans, Bitradex Finance Company compensation plans, what does it cost to join Bitradex, and what are some of the other Bitradex reviews saying. So, in the end, I'll give you a final verdict and give you my #1 recommendation. According to the Bitradex Finance Limited website, it is a Peruvian company and fully registered for online trading for Forex and crypto. Unfortunately, as usual, as we see a lot of with these crypto MLM sites, they say that they have a pro trading team that claims tremendous expertise in the online trading space. The problem most of the time is exactly who runs this company. With claims like having a pro team and being an officially registered company, you definitely want to verify they are on the up and up. Well, after doing my due diligence, I found little information on the team or leadership. So where's the proof about being registered? Should we take their word for it? No proof here either, so they are certainly not registered with the SEC or FRC. Big red strike there. So right now, that's just really a bit of talk from what they say on their website. Now, on Bitradex Financial website, they claim to be online for 1,336 days. Only problem is they did not privately register until June 19th, 2021, making them, what? 197 days old? Whoops. So here we have a finance company that cannot count. Really? You know, that makes them less than a year old. So not exactly the truth here. Looks like they're telling a bit of a fibber. You might say they didn't expect a math geek like myself to look at the numbers. Looks like they are constructed on a falsehood. So a couple other companies I've done reviews on are Hyperverse, 5 billion sales, and DeFi Profit. Please see my YouTube channel or my blog site at myfinancialfair.com to read more about these. So what are the Bitradex Finance products? Where are the products they sell? Now, they claim to do Forex and crypto trading, but perusing the company info, I can't find the products. More info on this later in the blog. So let's take a look or continue on our tour in this Bitradex Finance Limited review. How to make money with Bitradex Finance. Overall, there are 2 ways to make money with Bitradex Finance. First way is to actually drop money inside the company on a claim that you will get a return. Second way is for you to be recruiting people into the company and produce a commission based on their investments. So Bitradex, if we look at it, has 8 different investment plans. So we'll just go through them real quickly. They have a bronze plan, They have an advanced plan, they have a master plan, they have a platinum plan, an expert plan, a standard plan, a pirate's plan, and a silver plan. So look at my blog site so you can get information on exactly what those plans do. And so what is the Bitradex Financial Compensation Plan? Bitradex Finances uses a two-tier unilevel compensation structure. You can also receive a percentage on the invested funds from your personally sponsored affiliates and their downline members. On level 1, you can receive 5%. On your personally sponsored affiliates, on level 2, you can receive 1%. So what does it cost to join Bitradex? Well, as usual with these crypto MLMs, the affiliate membership is always free. But if you want to participate in the investment opportunity, in the case of Bitradex, you must throw in at least $50,000 to $34,999 into the kitty. Wow, there's a chunk of change there. What are other Bitradex finance reviews saying? Well, currently most Bitradex finance reviews are put together by affiliates, so there's little credibility out there. Just so you know, I am not an affiliate of Bitradex and do not promote their products, so that's how I can give an unbiased review. So, in the final reviews, should you join Bitradex? Well, the question is, Bitradex Financial Review, legit crypto MLM? Here are the facts. First, who owns or runs the company? Well, no idea here. Strike one. Second, they have no evidence of trading happening and no registration with the regulatory authorities. Well, strike 2 and 3. So what are they hiding? If they're so good and they can produce such phenomenal returns like these, why don't they show who runs the company? Additionally, if anybody produced returns like these guys, it'd probably not be available for us commoners, especially at $50. I'll be honest, having worked in financial circuits for many years, I can tell you such opportunities usually like this usually cost $25,000 or more. So they're often called Reg D offers. This is not a Reg D offer, by the way. In fact, it's not even registered with the SEC or FRC. So be careful here. So in the end, there probably would be a select group of investors and they would get in and become fabulously wealthy in a few years. Obviously, this thing's not legit. If you look overall, you see new investments paying off existing members. What does that make that? You got it. It's probably a Ponzi scheme. Be really careful here and do your due diligence. Any companies that are not regulated by government authorities, you have to kind of question their status. If they're as good as they say they are, then register with like the FEC or FRC or other local government authorities. If they're not, folks, don't waste your time. In fact, here, like I've seen in hundreds of other cases, once recruitment slows to a trickle, the ghostly owners will pull the rug on their investors and take the money and run. I would highly recommend you stay away from this thing. So, if you're getting a little tired of these scams, here's my recommendation. If you landed on my blog, you probably want to actually know how to build a uniquely profitable business online, right? We are now offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. In fact, I just finished this very course myself, and it is very good. I learned a lot from it, and I'm applying those skills today. You're going to learn the exact methods on how to drive your prime customer to your landing page, pick up their emails, and convert them to buying customers without even a phone call. You want to know more about that? Look down in the description field here below the video, or go to my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, and click the Partner With Me button to find out more information. In fact, once you learn the skill set and the mindset, the universe is the limit when it comes to building your business. Plus, every single person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is being done properly and on the up and up. So let's not forget, if you want to have made a New Year's resolution to make some more money and you really want to know how to learn to build a business online, please look in the description field below. So, and don't forget, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit ding bell icon to receive future videos like these. Happy New Year, everybody.